In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Call Intelligence in Attio. We'll start from the Attio homepage. Once you're logged in, head to your company profile and open Account Settings. This is where you'll find the workspace level controls for features that affect how your team uses Attio. Inside Account Settings, type in and select Call Intelligence. Call Intelligence is Attio's feature for capturing and organizing insights from your meetings. In simple terms, it helps record calls, generate useful context from conversations, and make those interactions easier to review later. This can be especially helpful for sales calls, customer conversations, and internal follow-ups, because it reduces the need for manual note-taking and helps keep important details connected to your records in Attio. Once you're on the Call Intelligence page, look for the Auto Record Meetings section and enable External Meeting. This setting allows Attio to automatically record meetings with people outside your organization. The main benefit here is consistency. Instead of remembering to manually start recording each time, the system can help ensure those external conversations are captured automatically when the feature applies. If your team regularly speaks with prospects, clients, or partners, this can save time and make your workflow much smoother. As always, make sure your use of recording features follows your local privacy rules and company policies. After that, go to Call Recorder. This is the section where you manage how the recorder behaves during meetings. From here, you can choose your recorder style. This gives you control over how Attio joins or handles call recording. Depending on the options available in your workspace, you may see different recorder styles designed for different meeting preferences or team needs. It's also helpful to understand the difference between the available options. Some recorder styles may be more visible to participants, while others may be designed to create a smoother or less disruptive meeting experience. One option might make the recording presence more obvious in the call, which can be useful for transparency and team awareness. Another option may focus on a cleaner meeting flow, depending on how your organization prefers to manage recorded conversations. The best choice depends on your compliance requirements, your team's communication style, and the kind of experience you want meeting participants to have. Once you've selected the recorder style that fits your needs, your Call Intelligence setup is essentially ready to go. At that point, you can return to your normal workflow and let Attio support your meetings with more structure and better visibility into important conversations. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.